On ABC 13, we start this story with a warning. The details are graphic and disturbing. An investigation into a Spring man for multiple sex crimes against children led to the additional arrest and charges against his wife.
And truly unbelievable here. She's now accused of engaging in sexual acts with a family dog. Liliana Pearson is live outside Montgomery County Constable Office, Precinct 3. And Liliana, this case really is just gripping our entire community.
It is, and I've covered very many sad and horrifying stories in my career, but it's been quite some time since a case has truly shocked me in the way that this one has. Parents, one of them a veteran, the other a nurse, known for their affinity with animals.
I used to call him Pet Detective.
A neighborly joke that now feels darker.
I don't even want to think about what transpired.
According to law enforcement, on March 13th, William, with no previous criminal history, was arrested after a bystander noticed he was following two young children around this spring HEB, touching himself.
Just the fact that he was in the area performing that act.
Montgomery County constables with Precinct 3 arrested him, slapping him with an indecent exposure charge.
It's really frustrated and angered a lot of the residents.
The arrest led to an investigation, led to William's phone being confiscated, led to the discovery of images of children being sexually assaulted, and something else.
I'm like, holy crap.
Video of Keen's wife willingly engaging in multiple sexual acts with the family's Great Dane.
It's not normal.
Neighbor Anthony Williams captured this video from the 27th.
Oh, they are raiding this man's house.
Showing law enforcement arresting the Keens, removing 3 dogs and their 2 children.
You don't know what type of environment they were exposed to on a regular basis. Maybe they were not exposed to, maybe they were exposed to tons of things. But
neighbors now hoping the peace they once assumed they had will be returned to this spring suburb. And we're told that CPS was alerted, though we were not able to learn if CPS is still in possession of the Keen's 2 children or if those children have been released to family members at this time. Right now, both the Keens still in jail facing felony charges. William for indecency with a child and possession of child pornography. Jolie for bestiality. From Montgomery County, I'm Liliana Pearson, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.